Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads. And as always, enjoy the video. On September 21, 2022, officers with the Houston Police Department were patrolling on the outskirts of the city when they noticed a gray truck and black sedan fly by at a high rate of speed. The two vehicles appeared to be racing and reached speeds near 130 miles per hour. After officers initiated a traffic stop, the vehicles turned off their lights and sped off. Both vehicles ended up crashing after a short chase, and, in no surprise to anyone who is familiar with criminals, the drivers got out of their vehicles and confronted each other before the police got there.
Hey, drive. Hey! Go on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground, dude!
005, one at gunpoint.
3-3, got two at gunpoint.
Two at gunpoint.
Hey guys, watch the crossfire,
Car's gonna be clear, just two males. Hey, I'll go hands. Alright. Really, guys? I'm gonna fucking run.
Hey. No, I haven't cleared it, but I'm 160. All right.
Cherry 3205, 2 detained. Thank you, DPS. Get up.
Come here.
Hey, Mark, are you under control?
Yeah, we're good. 5-3-3, we're under control right now. We need 2 records. Got anything on you?
You jumped in another car?
Say again?
K05, I'm going to go clear that 100 real fast. Hang on. Send them in y'all parking lot.
Faster. I'm going to clear that vehicle.
Spread your feet. Spread your feet. Right here? Right. Yeah. Hey, you crashed though? You okay? You sure? How old are you?
Yeah,
Got ID on you?
Yeah.
Ain't seen this in the car?
My wallet. Okay. My wallet's in the middle part of the car.
What are you thinking, dude? What are you thinking? You were tracing this guy all the way down work. And then when I get on, y'all black out and just take off? Stay right here, okay? You got a job?
19-year-old Snyder Fuentes was arrested on one felony count of evading arrest with a motor vehicle. Unlike many of the stars featured on this channel, Snyder has no previous criminal history. This was either a one-time mistake or the beginning of a life of crime. Only Snyder can determine which path to take, but he's not off to a great start.
Here we go. I'll turn the AC on for you. I got your phone right here, okay? See the walls in there?
Just walk to work.
Get all the way in, come on.
Faster.
And one of you so long you have one for those 2 individuals on West Side that might be nice.
Hey, so I guess this guy was driving the truck. He was driving the Honda.
Yeah, my guy was driving the truck.
He was driving the Honda.
Yeah.
Yeah, disregard on Clifton Hilltop.
Why'd y'all run? You blacked out unless you just kept going. 120 miles an hour, 130 miles an hour. Why? Give me a good reason. Is there a good reason?
I was just scared.
You were scared of what?
I didn't want to get.
Bro, we would for what?
I don't know. I just got.
We wouldn't even give you a ticket.
Well, that's from.
Are you a felon, anything like that?
No, sir.
Have been arrested before?
No,
Never been arrested before.
never.
Then why would you not just pull over, dude?
I wanted to pull over, but then I wanted to get off the freeway.
Bullshit. You blacked out on. You got on the freeway. We were turning lights. You saw lights. And you blacked out. That's bullshit. Don't lie to me.
I don't know. I just.
You blacked your lights out and kept going 120, 130 miles an hour. Probably faster. That's as fast as I could go. You're probably going faster than me. Because we could barely catch up to you. So you're gonna lie? You even try to pull over?
I'm not gonna lie. I was just following my friend.
You want to run him real quick?
Yeah. Just put him in the, he's there.
I'm going to put him over here.
Okay, yeah. I'll pull over. Oh, yeah, I'll pull him over there.
What happened with these guys?
So basically, dude, you know what word is?
Yeah.
It's the word in Long Point. We were chilling right there because we were restarting MDT because RMS wasn't working.
Yeah.
So we did a full restart, everything, battery out, all that stuff. We were trying to load back up, and these two vehicles fly by us. We're like, what the? We do a UE, try to catch up to them. We can't. They're going so fast, we couldn't catch up to them to where they could see our lights until about. We were going under the bridge of I-10, and they would just turn left to go inbound, and we caught up to them with the entry ramp, turn our lights on, and they blacked out on us and just took off. And dude, I was going I maxed that puppy out. I was going 130 at one point, and they were just still going. They were getting far ahead of us, and they were both blacked out, and it was hard to see. And I actually fucked up the exit. When they said the exit, I was like, man, they were pretty far up. I don't think it was this exit. I was like, Studemont.
Yeah.
Which exit that actually passed it up. Thank God he crashed, or they would have fucking just booked it.
Yeah, we because I heard Studemont.
Yeah.
Somebody else came on. I'm like, did they exit? Did they not?
They did exit. Yeah, he crashed out. But I did a UE, and I did as fast as I could to get back over here. But got back over here and right here.
UE on McKinney.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And just got right here.
Same thing. I was like, bro, I said.
Yeah.
And by the time we did that, they were
felt
like,
so dumb. I was like,
to a
dude.
gunpoint. I'm like, I wanted to get him.
All right, sir. That's your dad's cart truck, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's up to you. What's up? Oh, just keep him for a second because as soon as we're done, we're gonna go to the station. We need new MDT. We can't lock the RMS. RMS works.
Yeah.
Ours doesn't work, so we have to go to the station, get a new one, and then.
You want to put him over here and I'll bring you a new? Oh, you guys switch out the whole shop. Huh?
No, I'm just gonna switch our MDTs and just find one that works. We can use it and we'll book them. All right. You want to call your dad? You want to just surprise him tomorrow? It's up to you, dude. It's his truck and stuff. It's getting towed. You're going to jail, so it's up to you, whatever you want to do. You can surprise him tomorrow. You can call him now.
And what way do you mean surprise him?
Like, you'll call him tomorrow morning and be like, hey, Dad, I'm in jail. I need you to come bail me out. Or you can tell him right now and you can have him anticipate having him come bail you out. Like, anticipate the call. You know what I'm saying? Make sense? Okay. But you're okay? You don't need an ambulance or anything?
No.
Okay.
I suffer with anxiety.
Okay. Listen. You're super young. So now that everything's... So we were here, right? We were here. Now we're down here. Everything's done. Listen. It's a non-violent crime. You're super young. You have no record. You're going to be okay. Alright? You're not going to be going to jail and you'll be there for like 15. That's not how it's going to work, okay? You'll be out within the next day or two. Probably be out tomorrow morning. Or this morning. So you'll probably be out this morning with either a free bond or a very low bond. Okay? You just have to go to court and do the process. Hopefully, man, I don't want you to get your life ruined by this. Hopefully, you talk to the judge, get your lawyer, and they can play a deal with yours, either probation or you something with a couple years of this and it's off your record. Okay? But dude, in the future, most cops don't get tickets in Houston. Some do. A lot don't. I don't usually get tickets. If you're worried about a ticket, bro, I just tell people usually slow down. Okay? I'm not trying to hit people I know everyone's hurting right now. The economy's tight. No one has money right now. So I'm not trying to, screw people over. Alright? When you see lights, just pull over. It ain't a big deal. If you get a ticket, you get a ticket, right? But, this is worse. You got a vehicle that's a little damaged and you're going to jail, Alright? So I'll let you think about that. If you want to call your dad, we'll do that in a second, okay? Just think about it. How's the AC? There's nothing important. My bad's broken. Huh? We'll do that in a second, okay? Got anything on you we need to know about? Drugs, guns, weapons, knives, things like that. This come undone for a clip. You know what? Leave that on right now.
Yeah, I don't have it.
Okay. What is that, razors?
Yes, work.
What's the razor? Oh, where do you work at?
I work at 99 Ranch Market, and it's over there.
I know where that is, dude.
Yeah. So we have to open boxes, so they give me that to open them.
You got work tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Let the judge know that, okay?
Yes, sir.
Maybe they'll let you out on a free bond. You can actually make work tomorrow. What time is it? What time work?
I gotta work at 8.
In the morning?
Yes, sir.
Hey, you ain't make that. Never mind. At 8. Probably, I mean, you probably make the second half of your shift, but you ain't making the first half.
If you phone in there, call in.
Right. Yeah, you know they're going by heart. Spread your feet. Right, knee back. You can send that, sir. Huh?
How old is he?
You're 18, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, something like that. Have a seat.
Damn, man. Hey, buddy.
Did you hear me yelling crossfire at all?
No, not at all.
No, you didn't hear me? That's why DPS was yelling crossfire, because I was coming from that. I had them on their knees, and then you came around there. I had them under control, and you pointed that gun right at me. I saw it.
Oh, I apologize. I'm
Yeah.
so sorry, sir.
Hey, just slow it down. I was like, hey, if you're here, I was on the radio, say, hey, I got them on their knees, but you would come up and you gotta just take a breath, all right? Because, I mean, just.
What's up?
So, and that's why DPS was telling you crossfire. I actually ducked behind, the Tundra? I ducked behind their Tundra because I saw you coming, and I foresaw what you were probably about to do. All right, so just.
Yes, sir.
All right, just slow down. All right, because officers have gotten hurt that way before. All right,
Yes, sir.
so all right, man.
Come on, bro. Hey, you got the keys? Okay. Yeah, are you locking it? Never mind. Yeah. All right, come on, bro.
Just gonna stand by the window and face the window, okay?
Go ahead. Come on over here, bro. Where? Oh, excuse me. You gotta put some mask on you. I got them both.
You got it?
Yeah.
I'll take one up for a second, man.
Hey, you got your hand.
Uno.
You want your mask over your nose?
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you're looking for more content, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.